Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that can completely shift the way you feel about your everyday routine. And that's how to romanticize your life. What does that mean? It's about making ordinary moments feel magical, intentional, and beautiful. Instead of waiting for a big event or milestone, you learn to fall in love with the little things you do daily. So, in this video, I'm going to give you practical steps, mindset shifts, and examples on how to romanticize your life starting right now. The way you start your morning sets the tone for the entire day. Don't just roll out of bed and grab your phone. Instead, make your mornings a ritual. Light a candle, play soft music, stretch, sip your coffee or tea slowly, and really be in the moment. Even something as simple as making your bed neatly and opening the curtains to let natural light in feels like a scene from a movie. You deserve mornings that feel calm and intentional. Romanticizing your life is all about creating rituals that look and feel good to you. When you cook, plate your food nicely instead of eating out of a box. When you shower, use products that smell amazing and take your time. Put effort into little details like matching loungewear or a pretty water bottle. These small touches add elegance and beauty to things you already do daily. One of the biggest ways to romanticize life is simply to slow down. We live in such a fast world where everything feels rushed. Instead, walk slowly, notice the trees, the sky, the way the sun hits a building. Put your phone away and just exist. Pretend your life is a film and you're the main character. Wouldn't the director zoom in on that quiet coffee moment or the way your hair blows in the wind? Those moments matter. Your space influences how you feel. Keep your room or apartment clean, light candles, buy fresh flowers, hang up art that inspires you. Even string lights or a cozy blanket can change your mood. You don't need expensive things. It's about intention. When your space feels warm, you naturally feel like you're living a more beautiful life. Don't save your best outfits for special occasions. Wear them now. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident, whether it's a chic dress, a cozy sweater, or just matching athleisure. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you carry yourself like the main character of your story. Food is such an easy way to add romance to your life. Instead of eating mindlessly, try cooking with music on, setting your table even if you're eating alone, and savoring every bite. Pour your drinks into pretty glasses, make ice cubes with fruit, or use a mug that makes you smile. It's these tiny, intentional choices that make ordinary meals feel special. Music and scent are powerful mood shifters. Create playlists for different vibes, a soft acoustic one for mornings, a dreamy playlist for walks, or a jazzy one for cooking dinner. Spray perfume, burn incense, or diffuse essential oils. Scents and sounds can turn the most boring moments into memories that feel cinematic. If you want your life to feel more romantic, pay attention to what you consume online. Unfollow people who make you feel drained, and follow accounts that inspire you. Aesthetics, wellness, art, fashion, travel. Fill your feed with content that motivates you to slow down and enjoy life, instead of comparing yourself. You don't need a birthday or holiday to celebrate. Celebrate finishing a book, completing your workout, or even making it through a tough week. Light a candle, journal about it, or treat yourself to dessert. Life feels more meaningful when you appreciate the little wins instead of waiting for big events. And finally, the mindset shift. Act like the main character. That doesn't mean being arrogant or selfish. It means valuing your story. Walk with confidence, live with intention, and remember that every single scene in your life matters. The way you sip your coffee, the way you write in your journal, the way you laugh with a friend, these are the moments that make your life beautiful. So, that's how you romanticize your life, by slowing down, creating beauty in the little things, and seeing yourself as the main character of your story. Life isn't just about waiting for big events. It's about making the everyday extraordinary. If you found this inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below. What's one small thing you're going to do to romanticize your life this week? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.